My name is Jim Gould, and I'm a ear, nose, and throat surgeon, originally from Virginia, but now I live in St. Louis. I think as a physician, it's very important to look healthy. Because you want to set a good example for your patients. You want your patients to feel that you take good care of yourself and that you're a good role model. I first noticed that I was losing my hair about 7 or 8 years ago. There was just a little bit of thinning, not enough to really be concerned or do anything about. In the summer, like when we're outdoors at the beach or something like that, my hair would, with all the light and everything, it would shine through and be very noticeable that there was hair loss. And when wind would blow, it would, if there was any styling that was done, it would mess it up and make it look thinner, I think. When the hair got really thin, it just made me feel as if my normal look had gone away and that I looked somewhat not like myself and somewhat unhealthy. I found out about Alvear Armani when I was researching hair restoration surgery online, and I really liked the construction of the website. It looked very slick and modern and international. It looked like it was well organized, and the results of the patient photos that were published were really very, very good. Yeah, as a surgeon, being very meticulous and very, very picky, it was very important for me to find somebody that I could completely trust. The other thing that was very important to me in choosing Alvear Armani was that he is a member of the International Alliance of Hair Restoration Surgeons. That society only has a handful of surgeons in it, and you can't really apply for a position in that society. You have to be selected, and you also have to be open to your clinic being inspected at random. And Alvear Armani is a member of the International Alliance of Hair Restoration Surgeons, and that was very, very important to me. Everyone doesn't look good with the same hairline, and so I think you really have to have an artistic eye to see what hairline is going to look good, and the placement of the hairs in specific angles and directions, that's very important as well. After having both the FUS and the FEW procedure done, I would definitely prefer to have the FEW procedure again if I was going to do it, because it was much easier. It's really removing each individual hair follicle and then transferring that follicle to the recipient area where there's hair loss. Whereas with the FUS procedure, you have to remove a large strip of scalp, and there's a lot more recovery involved with it, a lot more downtime, a lot more swelling. Some of my patients have followed me through the whole hair restoration process from when I went to have the hair transplantation until immediately afterwards when it was very short. And they've seen the growth and the end result, and they've been extremely complimentary and really amazed at how natural and full the results are. I think that Alvear Armani really exceeded my expectations overall. People that knew that I was having a hair transplant were amazed with the results. I mean, they really thought it was an amazing change between the before and the after, which is really good to hear. And they keep saying that over and over all the time, and it's like, sometimes I think they're just sucking up, but anyway. If I had a family member who were going to have hair restoration surgery, I wouldn't let them go anywhere else.